Woodpeckers Precision Triangles are your ultimate reference for dialing in your tools and machinery in your shop. Doing this with a square that has a shoulder can definitely be a challenge, since it doesn't sit perfectly flat. With the 4-inch and 6-inch precision triangles, this task is much easier. The triangle lays nice and flat, providing you with a constant 45 or 90-degree reference. When you're not using this tool for calibration, it's also the perfect reference to check that your projects are coming out right on target. For smaller projects, you can remove the 4-inch triangle from the 6-inch by loosening these 3 brass knobs. The 2 triangles can be used separately on their own, or assembled as one tool and stored nicely in the included MDF case until you're ready to use them again on your next project.